Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I have a look of Pundi X. What's the changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 2 hour, 1 hour result. So before starting this video, before compare the price of Pundi X in the last 1 hour, 2 hour, kindly hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. My wish to hit 3K subscriber. Please complete me 3K subscriber. Please support me. I need your support. Now let's see what's the changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 2 hour. So let's see on the screen. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price changes occur in the Pundi X the last 1 hour. It's loading, so please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for my support. As you can see now the screen of price analysis of Pundi X in the last previous 1 hour. It's fast down. If you see the graph of the Pundi X, so it's a bad period of Pundi X holders. If we see the changes of Pundi X in the last 1 hour, so it's also a negative. As you can see here, 0.75% change occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, the high price of Pundi X is $0.007371 is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see what changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous 2 hour. As you can see now, let's see the price changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous 2 hour. Oh my god, it's also a bad news for all Pundi X holder. As you can see here, the previous 2 hour is continuously falls down. As you can see on the graph. Now the changes is also negative because the Pundi X falls down in the market of crypto, so it's a bad news for all Norwegian Pundi X holders. As you can see, the changes is negative 1.54% changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Pundi X in this period and the last 1 hour is $0.07431 dollar is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 2 hour. As you can see here, the current price of Pundi X is $0.007316 is the current price of Pundi X. So that is the live price changes occur in the last 1 hour, last 2 hour. You are watching now only on ABS Tech channel. So please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news videos.